Hey everyone, I'm Sue and welcome back for another episode of Does This Notion Really Work? And in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the Olfa 45mm Splash Rotary Cutter. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below and don't forget to click the little dinger button. This will give you a notification every time I upload a video. Olfa invented the rotary cutter in 1979 as an alternative to cutting with scissors. This simple yet important invention literally revolutionized the sewing industry. I mean, think about it. What would you do without your rotary cutter? So let's go ahead and take a closer look at this Splash Rotary Cutter. When you get your Splash Olfa rotary cutter, you'll notice it's in a traditional packaging, which you can then just remove. And it's also advertised to cut up to 8 layers of cotton material with accuracy. Ooh, and fun fact, the Olfa Splash rotary cutter comes in the new pink, but it's also available in purple and aqua. The rotary cutter measures 7 inches long, and at the widest point is 2 inches. And it features a 45mm rotary cutting blade. To change your rotary blade, you're going to simply slide the blade lock down to release the old blade, remove the old blade, and reload it with a brand new Olfa 45mm blade. Resecure the blade lock to begin cutting once again. I gotta say, my personal opinion is this is the lightest rotary cutter ever. It makes it real easy to just pick up and start cutting. And notice the grooves on the handle closest to the blade. They actually help prevent the fingers from slipping. And honestly, this is the coolest thing. It is right or left-handed. So everybody can use the Splash rotary cutters. When you're ready to start cutting, lower the blade cover. Just be sure to always close it when you're finished using it. I've just recently been introduced to the Olfa rulers, and I gotta say, this trio is amazing. Be sure to apply gentle, even pressure to the cutter as you roll it forward, away from your body, and use the ruler as your guide. Keep equal pressure to the cutter and the ruler from the beginning to the end of the cut, and just keep your fingers in a comfortable position, applying gentle pressure to the ruler, but keeping those fingers moving up as you cut. And as a friendly reminder, always use an Olfa self-healing rotary mat with your Splash cutter. This way it'll eliminate damage to your work surface and it'll also prolong the life of your blade. Olfa has lots of different colors available and sizes in mats. So what did you think of the Olfa Splash Rotary Cutter? And really, who can use this? Honestly, everybody. You can use it if you are a quilter, a garment maker, a crafter, and truly just a maker of any kind. And considering it cuts up to 8 layers of cotton fabric with accuracy, I mean, I think it's going to be a quilter's best friend. And where can you get your very own Splash Rotary Cutter? Well, you can ask your local dealer, go into some of the big box stores, and you can even find a few places online. I've got some links in the description below. And how much does the Splash Rotary Cutter retail for? It retails for $17.99. And if you like this video, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe below and click the little dinger button. That way you get notifications every time I upload a video. And I'd love to hear what is your favorite color. So do me a favor and leave that in the comment below. If you like social media, you can follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. I'm over there at Suoveri Designs. And please do join the Facebook fan club page. It's a lot of fun. We post daily. I love the interaction of the fans, and you can learn more about that in the description below. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below. And don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Have a creative day. Bye-bye.